Hey friends, I really want a treasure box for my kids to pick out little toys and prizes when they're being really good. And I'm going to cut this box and turn it into a prize box, like a treasure box. Here we go. Okay, so I cut it like this. I'm going to take the wipes out. Now I'm going to cut the corners and try to make treasure box corners. Here's what I have so far. Okay, now with duct tape, I taped the corners and reinforced the inside. Now I'm going to tape on the outside. Awesome. Gonna do this side. Okay. Pretty good. Now I'm gonna do this part. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of this inside. Alright, so here we have it. Now I'm gonna tape the inside of this box a little bit to make the handles open.
To the king, she was still scared, but the king was happy to see Esther. He did not punish her for coming to him.
My kids had fun picking out what prizes they wanted to put in there from around the house. And now whenever they do a good job at something, they get to pick a treasure. Thanks for watching. Bye.